Okay, guarantee by the end of this one video, we're going to ensure that all your GoHighLevel emails land in the inbox. And I can say that because if we do these 5 things here, I promise you it will land in the inbox, okay? I've been using GoHighLevel for like 3 years now, and I've never had a problem with it because I followed these 5 things, and I promise you if you just do these 5, that's it. I'm not selling you a course or anything like that. So if you could like the video and comment calendar, if you want to speak to me one-on-one on a Zoom call about getting started with Highlevel or anything like that, I'll send you a private link. Okay, so let's get right into these 5. So the first thing is we're going to do this all together. You want to set up a dedicated email domain. Okay, so this sounds more fancy than it actually is. So let's get actually into it. So I'm just going to assume that you don't have anything set up. So you want to buy a domain. Now, they're pretty cheap. Go to GoDaddy and let's just type in like Highlevel Harris, whatever, yeah. Let's see what comes. So what you do, you can literally buy it for 1p for the first year, 1p, then it'll be £13 after that, which is fine to be honest. So buy that, go through the process. I don't actually want that domain, so I brought my own, so I'm gonna show you, but first do that. I then go to domains on settings in your sub account, then add them in here. So I've added mine here. Okay, so now let's go to email services over here on the left, and by default your guys will look like it will just say lead connector and messenger or something like that. We want a dedicated email domain, so mine's like CEO at LMX whatever. I just said before, so you can integrate with Google Postmaster if you want. I can't be bothered, but you can if you want to like deeper insight to warm-ups and that sort of thing. So go to add domain. Okay, so now we're here. My domain is alumx.com, so we can just put anything in front of it. So let's just think of Highlevel Harris dot alumx.com. Okay, so we can add and verify that. So we can connect. Highlevel can actually do it for you. So you can just press go continue and it'll set it up for you. Or if you have to do it manually, it's pretty simple. I'll show you. So if this screen comes up, Highlevel's gonna do it for you. I don't actually want this Highlevel Harris at alumx.com. It's a bit weird. I don't really want that myself, so I'm gonna go back, but you'd authorize domain. So if you need to do it manually, this is what you do. After you've got your provider, etc., find your way to DNS records, and then for example I'll show you one, then the rest apply. And then when you verify it, some of them may not verify, so you just have to refresh, press verify again, go through it. So yeah, go to DNS records, then add a record, and then what does the first one want? They want txt record. Okay, so we'll just go down, txt, the name is that, so let's go down, done, and then the content is that, boom, paste it up, done. Do that for all of them. Okay, then once you've done that, this one obviously I didn't go ahead with it, so I don't want it, but I'm gonna delete this. Also, one thing, I just clicked start warm-up and domain warm-up initiated, and then here you can just select which domain you want working on workflows or one-on-one conversation, etc. So I've only got the one there, CEO, but if I created multiple, I can choose which one I want it on. So yeah, that's the first one done over there. Let's move to the second step. So second step is check.mailtester.com. Okay, so this is how we're going to use it. This website's going to check how good our emails are. Okay, you need to do this, so let's do it now together live. So when you go to www.mailtester.com, you should see something like this. So what we need to do is go on Highlevel and create a contact with this information. So let's go to contacts. I'll add contact and just name this one example and whatever, test email. I'm gonna put that email in and let's press save. Okay, so now they've got this email assigned to them. Let's send them an email. Okay, and then that website will tell us how we're doing. So let's go off it. Let's select it. Okay, so I've just selected the email test. Let's send it an email. Okay, so just put test, first name, Harris from email.com, test, send email, confirm, and let's just send the email now. Okay, complete. Okay, so let's go back onto this. Let's check your score. Okay, so I got a 10 out of 10 rating because I followed these 5 steps. At the end, you guys will have 10 out of 10 as well, so no worries. So that's the second thing, check on this website. Let's move on to the third thing. So third one is enable email validation. And this is a setting in Highlevel business profile that we need to do. Okay, so first let's go to agency view and allow us to do this. So let's go here to agency view, let's go to settings, go to email services, go to location settings, and on your sub account, just enable it. Okay, so we've done that there. Now let's go onto that sub account, go to settings, and go to business profile. Scroll all the way down where it says this: verify email address when first email is sent to a new contact. Okay, and the second tip is that you want to make sure this is enabled to increase the chance of landing in the inbox is add an unsubscribe link, because if you're sending emails to people that don't want it, it's going to hurt you a lot. So make sure these two basically are assigned. Okay, before we go into the fourth one, if you like the content and you'll want to start Highlevel, if you use the first link in the description, you get 30 days free with Highlevel, plus all these benefits here. So all those affiliate perks, you jump on one-on-one Zoom calls with me, I'll help you out. My strategies, how to get clients, etc, etc. If you've already got an account and you still want to be my affiliate, email me or comment down below and I'll get that sorted. We can jump on a call, I'll get you sorted up. Let's get on to the fourth one. Fourth one is add a DMARC record. Okay, so this is what I mean. This is what Highlevel tells us to do. No one talks about it, but it is here. So add your DMARC record. The reason Highlevel say have a DMARC record is because if you don't have it, it can negatively impact your domain reputation and email deliverability. Okay, so what they say is add a TXT record. So you'd go on, come here, add a TXT record, TXT required. You just go back, content, here we are, boom, name is this, put it in like that and press save and add it in. That's how you'd add your DMARC record for your domain and just help it deliver. So that's the fourth one. Now what's the fifth one? Stop sending to people that don't want your emails. Okay, so that's why I said add the unsubscribe link, because if you're pushing these emails to people that are not opening consistently, like a whole bunch of people, and they just get annoyed with you, it's going to hurt your email domain. So don't do that. So those are the 5 steps. Now, as you can tell, it's dark outside. It's like 12. If you like this video, please like the video, because I'm tired. And just long day, man. But yeah, liking the video will help me out, keep me motivated. And yeah, please subscribe. And if you want to use Highlevel, get the 30-day free trial. And I'll see you on our Zoom calls.